Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we are doing a slightly different one, slightly different unboxing. Mishimoto has reached out and basically given me a sponsorship. So it's only like a money off sponsorship. I can't talk about how much discount I actually get with them, but this is what they've sent out first of all, which is like a swag bag. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to slice off the top and then I'll start to unbox what they've sent inside. So inside the box, or inside the packaging, it's basically like a vacuum packed sealed bag, and it stinks of banana, like really strong banana. So I'm just going to set that aside. I'm going to pull out random things. So first of all, we have two Mishimoto stickers. So this probably would look good down the side of the car. Obviously they are in white, and I have a white car, so maybe not. Maybe it'll look good on the sun strip or on like the rear mirror or even like the rear window, but we'll see how they go. So two stickers. We have basically a welcome blah blah blah, basically welcome to the team. So yeah, that's all good. That's cool. Basically I can contact them about whatever I want. A little pamphlet of stuff to spend your lovely money on. The things I'm looking at getting next, I'm not going to lie, are the intercoolers. So I might get a Mishimoto intercooler, but we'll see. They're pretty expensive, even with the discount and stuff. But yeah, so a few different things there. Little brochure, quite nice. Next thing in the bag just keeps on coming. This is quite cool. So we have basically like a little what do you call it, like a beer holder, cup holder thing. Yeah, basically it keeps, if it's correct, I think it keeps your beers cold or keeps your cans cold, so you can slide a can in there. It keeps it cold just that little bit longer. We've also got a lanyard. As you can see, that says Mishimoto on the side and their website. I do love lanyards, so that's a big one for me. And I think I may have found what the smell was. It's a banana air freshener with the Mishimoto penguin on it. But I will tell you now, this stinks of banana. I like banana, but this is really strong. Just to bear in mind, it's crazy strong, crazy strong. And that, I think, is a lot. So nice little sponsor package. Like, it's all sent out for free. I also got one more thing, if you just hold it right there, and once again we'll do the little magic, and there we go, a snapback. So they sent me out this about a week ago, 2 weeks ago now. So yeah, snapback, which is quite nice. These sell for about 20 quid on their site, so you know, it's got all the branding on the stuff, and I personally wear hats pretty much 24/7. So yeah, I'm happy with that. So that's your swag or sponsorship bag. If you do get picked out by them, ooh, I think you can also, you can actually apply to be their sponsors, or a sponsor of them. You just have to basically tell them, you know, what you do, your social media, if you're planning on coming to any track days or anything like that. But yeah, I think that's a pretty good little thing. So yeah, hopefully I will put these on the side of my car, show them some support and stuff. Like I said, we got the lanyards and stuff now. But anyway, thank you for watching, guys. Just a little different one for you, a little unboxing of a sponsorship package. So there we have it, guys. Nice little kind of sponsor package. So if you do shout out to them, or they shout out to you and kind of give you that sponsor deal, I would highly recommend them, basically just for the support that they've given me already and the free stuff. Everyone loves free stuff. But obviously discounts and stuff, and just if you show them the love back, I'm sure they'll give you some more. So yeah, have a look on my channel, guys. I've got a boost gauge video recently uploaded. Hopefully that will teach you how to install a boost gauge the easy way. I've also got the TRC split out and side skirts install video and cruise control. Once again, a big shout out to OB Discovery, which is basically a company that activates cruise control, floodlights, folding mirrors. They do everything. The guy down there is super nice, super kind, and I can't value his help enough, especially when I got my cruise control fitted. So make sure you check out the cruise control video and their company. Really cool. Other than that, guys, just keep your eyes on my channel. I've got a few more things coming up, and I am starting to look at stage 2 with Perron. So we'll see how that goes. I need basically ideas about catbacks. I say catbacks, sorry, I didn't mean that. Basically a D-cat or a sports cat, which one to go for. Also the exhaust system I want. So there's a lot involved with it. If you guys have got any opinions on the matter, let me know. But yeah, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification button, and I will see you next time.